Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Ben Verhoek. We're inside Pastime Tattoo, and you're watching Tattooing with Ben. Today, we're going to be talking about the 10 things you can do before you get tattooed to prepare for your tattoo so it could go a lot smoother. So let's face it, getting tattooed fucking sucks. So if there's anything you could do to make it a little less shitty, why wouldn't you? So today, you're going to learn what to do. Tip number 1, research and choose a reputable artist. The one that's right for you, that's right for your tattoo, the tattoo that you want. You're gonna wanna make sure you get the right artist. You're gonna wanna look through different artists' portfolios, whether it's on Instagram or an actual portfolio. Make sure the line work is good. Make sure the shading is good and consistent. Make sure the color is saturated. There's no holidays, AKA little missing spots in the color. You just want them to be good, especially at the style of tattooing that you're gonna get. Tip number 2, if there's a lot of specific details to your tattoo, you might wanna consider scheduling a consultation with your artist. Consultations are cool because you could sit down, hash out all the details with the artist. Maybe you have some suggestions, maybe the artist has some suggestions. So by the time you're done with the consultation, you both will be on the same page with the tattoo idea, and the outcome's gonna be really cool. Tip number 3, please maintain good hygiene and skincare. I mean, I shouldn't even have to say this, but shower the day you have to come in. Some people come in smelling like they just came from the gym or rolling around in a dumpster, and it's kind of disrespectful because not only do we have to smell it, the whole shop has to smell it. I've had people where I'm tattooing their feet and it just absolutely smells like sour ass. And it's just like, man, you knew you were getting your foot tattooed. You couldn't like clean your shit real quick? Like, come on. I mean, if I know I'm getting my foot tattooed, I'm washing that shit the best I can. So yeah, clean yourself, clean your ass. Tip number 4, hydration is your best friend. You're gonna wanna stay hydrated through your tattooing process. You might have to go pee a lot here and there, but trust me, water is your friend. Drink it before, drink it during, drink it after, and shit will go a little bit smoother. Tip number 5, don't get fucked up before your appointment. I mean, some people like to have maybe like a beer or something before. Me personally, I don't really care too much if it's like a beer. If people are coming in just fucking sloshed, just absolutely hammered, can't listen to instructions, can't sit straight, they're talking like disrespectfully and they're becoming a nuisance, it's a nightmare all around. If people are coming in like coked out, or if they're a tweaker and just like it's not exactly the best mind state to be in when you're getting tattooed, let alone to like not piss off an entire shop of assholes. So don't do it. Tip number 6, get a good night's sleep before your tattoo. Let me tell you, it works wonders. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It will help you get through your day easier, even like beyond getting tattooed. When you're getting tattooed, especially for long sessions, having a good night's sleep the night before makes it a lot easier. So do that. Tip number 7, eat a nutritious meal before your tattoo appointment. You're gonna wanna have some food in your stomach, and probably not a whole bunch of nasty food, because that might turn your stomach, and while you're already getting hurt getting tattooed, if you got a stomach ache on top of that, it's not gonna be great. I even knew a guy who used to come and get tattooed after eating McDonald's, and almost every time, you'd have to pull up the trash can so he could throw up in it. Also, while you're getting tattooed, your body goes through like an adrenaline rush. And what fuels that adrenaline rush is your blood sugar. So if you don't have enough blood sugar to fuel your adrenaline rush, you're gonna get all woozy and feel sick and maybe pass out and maybe even pee your pants.
Everybody my age pees their pants. It's the coolest.
Having a meal before your tattoo appointment is super important, so do that. Tip number 8, dress comfortably in some loose fitting clothes. You know, you don't have to be super fashionable when you get tattooed. What are you trying to flex on? Sweatpants, pajamas. If you're comfortable, it'll make it a little bit easier to get tattooed. Also, loose fitting clothes is good, especially if it's in a place that's close to where you're getting tattooed. You're not gonna wanna wear tight clothes or something where you're gonna have to like pull it up every 5 seconds or have your ass hanging out if it doesn't really need to be because you brought the wrong kind of pants. Maybe discuss with your artist what you should wear if it's in like an inconspicuous spot. Dress comfortably, dress nice, do that. Tip number 9, prepare mentally for the tattoo appointment. A lot of people don't even think about this, but half of the pain and suffering you go through when you get tattooed, it's all up here. It's mental. And if you're able to get into a good place mentally, whether it's putting in headphones with some peaceful recording or distracting yourself by watching Netflix on your phone or something like that, that pain is not going to be half as shitty as if you're like freaking out mentally. Get your mind right. Finally, tip number 10, it's important to communicate with your artist throughout this session. You know, if you're not feeling good, if you're getting hungry, if you have to go pee, if something's starting to hurt really bad, any of that stuff, it's good to talk to your tattooer about it. The tattooer needs to know how you're doing throughout the tattoo as well, especially in longer sessions, so communication is key with everything. Clear communication ensures a successful collaboration, so do that. All right, well, we just went over the top 10 things to do before your tattoo. Now I want to hear from you. Have you found these tips helpful at all? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you have any other tips that maybe I didn't go over? Have you done these tips before? Has it worked out for you? Or if you have any suggestions for any other videos, I got a new channel. I'm open to whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope these tips are helpful to you to make sure your next tattoo experience just goes a little smoother. You made it to the end of the video. Must mean you liked it. Hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It'll only take a second. And if you hit that bell button, you'll get a notification every time I drop a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Stay here. Stay as long as you can. You gotta cherish it.